Hello beautiful people, this is me, I'm your host, and today I'm gonna talk to you about the Advanced Night Repair Concentrate for the eyes. So if you're curious, please carry on. If you are familiar with ANR or Advanced Night Repair, little brown bottle which been on the market for a long time, you know there is more products in that line. At the beginning, besides this, there was another eye cream. It was called Advanced Night Repair Eye and came in a small pad. It was a little bit similar to this one, but that one was designed for the eye and it has a consistency of a gel. The eye gel was coming in a pad, and besides similar ingredients which you found in the ANR, it was also having some ingredients which were helping with dark circles. After a while they come up with another product in the same category, but it was coming with a pump, and that one it was a serum. They both were in a similar, let's call it a range. So one was in a pad, the other was in a squeeze in a pump bottle. You could wear them by themselves or underneath another moisturizer. The newest eye product is their Concetrate, and yes, I do like it because I want more than few of those. So what you get, okay, when you buy the product, it comes in a tin box. When you open it, you have the product and a brochure with the information how to use it. The bottle itself, it's similar as the ANR. It's glass with two stripes, but the applicator, it's a plastic wand with a ball at the end. I do like this product. Let me just show you something. Hopefully you can see it. That's the applicator which comes in a bottle, so when you put it in, it doesn't really fit all the way till the end. It's hard to get everything from the sides. So that's my empty bag. Currently that's the one which I'm using, and yes, you can see there is still some product left. So what I did, I removed the little stopper, and currently I'm using Q-tip to get all the remaining product from the sides. Why? Because by doing that you're gonna have enough product for like the next, make it 2 weeks. Obviously I do like the item, so let's see what it claims. Besides having the matrix technology, it has 2 times concentrated infusion of hyaluronic acid, which rehydrate. Chronolonux technology reduces the looks of fine lines, wrinkles, under eye puffiness, dark circles, and uneven skin tone, and includes the custom design massage applicator. So that was the little ball which comes inside. And yes, if you want, you can use this to massage it. I just use this to apply the cream and then I just pat it with my fingers. But let me show with the texture of the product. Yeah, so it's like a, just grab a little bit more. Here we go. So yeah, it's like a creamy texture, and it does absorb fast. I have no issues with it. And do I like this product? Yes. For example, you can use this underneath your eyes, but it's up to you if you want to do it or not. This is like a eye cream but on a steroid, and you can always put something on top of it. On the Estee Lauder website they also have some information about this product. First advanced sign of aging, nourishment and support, rich concentrate, nourishes, straightens, fortified delicate and crispy skin, provides cushion of plumping support with 360 matrix technology, intensely hydrate for 24 hours, and have double of the hyaluronic acid. So besides this one, they have the gel and the cream. If I can describe each of the items, the gel, obviously it's a gel, then you have the serum, and then the concentrate. So this is like the most thickest texture, but the other two is more like a preventative measure, while this one is like a little bit higher on the shelf, and yes, it will do something for your skin. Eye products are some of the items where people can be skeptical about. Yes, you can use your serums underneath your eyes, but that area, it's very gentle. So you don't know if, let's say, fragrance is gonna irritate you, or if the product is gonna be so thick, you're gonna end up with milia. So far, I do like it, and for sure I'm gonna buy it again. As you already saw it, I went through a couple bottles, and I do enjoy this product. Besides the package, which yes, it's annoying, I do like it. I don't really have too much bad things to say about this product. Besides that, comes in a glass bottle, so in case if it falls on the floor, it shouldn't shatter, but you never know. And yes, the applicator, it's painful, but you can still work it out with some other items. So yeah, that was my short overview, and I see you next time. Bye!